அப்போ அங்கேயே ஆட்டிடியூட் வந்து டவுன் ஆகுது. So always the company people expect some responsibility, skilled person, skilled manpower is needed for any company. So see to that 43 members in afternoon session இப்படி ஜாயின் பண்றது. ஆஃப்டர்நூனாக இருக்கட்டும், மார்னிங்காக இருக்கட்டும், ஈவினிங்காக இருக்கட்டும், ஸ்டடிங் ப்ராசஸ் எப்பவுமே நடந்துட்டு இருக்கணும். We are not making you to come in a physical mode to sit and listen our words. கிளாஸ் வந்து ஒரு 4 hours நடக்குது ஒரு நாளைக்குன்னா 5 hours நடக்குதுன்னா டெடிக்கேட்டடாக உட்காருங்க அந்த கிளாஸுக்கு மட்டும். See, Harsha, Aarti, you both are should be responsible to make the students to be in the link. Aarti, can you hear me? Aarti and Harsha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, daily I will send the absentees list who are not attending PDD hour regularly to you. Okay, அவங்கள இன்சிஸ்ட் பண்ணுங்க. இல்லைன்னா அடுத்த ஸ்டெப் நான் அவங்க பேரண்ட்ஸ் கிட்ட பேச வேண்டியதா இருக்கும். Jayasuriya, are you noting the absentees, pa?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you just send the list at the end of the session.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, pa. So it's our duty, students, you make your friends. இப்போ ஆர்த்திக்கு ஒரு 4 ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்கீங்க. இந்த 4 ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் லிங்க்ல இருக்காங்களா, நீ தான் கேதர் பண்ணணும். ஸோ நான் மட்டும் லிசன் பண்ணா போதும், நான் மட்டும் இது பண்ணா போதும்னா இட்ஸ் நாட் அ ஹெல்தி டீம் ஒர்க். அதனால வந்து ஈச் அண்ட் எவ்ரி ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் வந்து முடிஞ்ச வரைக்கும் நல்ல விஷயத்த பண்றதுக்கு முன்னே கொஞ்சம் இனிஷியேட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. உங்க க்ளோஸ் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் இருக்காங்களா லிங்க்ல, மெசேஜ் பண்ணு, ஃபோன் பண்ணி லிங்க் வந்துரு. You being a student, you may put some comment and gather and talk to your friends. எனக்கு இந்த கிளாஸ் பிடிக்கல, எனக்கு இது போர் அடிக்குது, அது போர் அடிக்குது. எல்லாம் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸா இருக்கும்போது பேசலாம். நீயும் எங்க சிச்சுவேஷன்ஸ் வராம இருக்க மாட்டீங்க. Always think in the other side, be responsible. Okay, I should not see more absentees in the PDD class. 45 students தான் இப்போ இருந்திருக்கீங்க. I have to talk to the parents then. இந்த 1 week பார்ப்பேன். ரெகுலராக யாரெல்லாம் ஆப்சென்டீஸ் ஆகுறாங்களோ அவங்களோட பேரண்ட்ஸுக்கு நான் கால் பண்ணிடுவேன். First step, I will call to the parents. If they are not attending properly the PDD class, then I have to remove that particular persons from the link. நெக்ஸ்ட் வீக்லாம் அவங்க ஜாயின் பண்ணுறது வேஸ்ட். 1 week கிளாஸே அவன் அட்டன் பண்ணலன்னா என்ன புரிய போகுது அவனுக்கு, என்ன ஸ்டெப் எடுக்க போகிறான் படிக்கிறதுக்கு. That you all should be kept in the mind. Okay, now today we'll go for the class. Last class என்னென்ன பார்த்தோம்? What is our subject title? Anybody can speak out? Please reply.
Project design and development, ma'am.
Product design and development. What is the subject code? Danish, you? Danish, you, are you in the link? And if I am just being in the link, that is enough for me. Attendance is more than enough for my growth. நான் அதை வச்சே நான் பிளேஸ் ஆயிடுவேன். அட்டனன்ஸ் லிங்க்ல மட்டும் இருந்தா போதும், நான் கரெக்டா நிறைய கம்பெனிஸ்ல நான் பிளேஸ் ஆயிட்டு போயிடுவேன், நல்ல மார்க் வாங்கிடுவேன் அப்படின்னு இருக்காதீங்க. டோன்ட் சீட் யுவர் செல்ஃப், யூ நாட் சீட்டிங் அஸ். அதை மைண்ட்ல வச்சுக்கோங்க. We have crossed all your stages. We have got more experience than you being a student. So kindly keep that in mind. I have to lend my ears to the faculty who are teaching me. It's my duty to listen their words. Any doubts, it's my duty to reply them, say to them, ask them. இந்த மாதிரி ஐடியாலாம் இருக்காதீங்க சொல்லிட்டேன். Okay, I'll go for the subject code. யாராவது சொல்ல முடியுமா டக்குன்னு?
OMF 551.
Very good. And only few students are replying. Kindly all the students have to reply. அதான் எனக்கு பதிலாக அவங்க சொல்லிட்டாங்களே, உனக்கு பதிலாக அவன் ஜாப் உனக்கு வாங்கி கொடுக்க மாட்டான். உன் ஜாபை நீ தான் வாங்கிக்கணும், நீ தான் ஸ்டெப் எடுக்கணும், நீ தான் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் காமிக்கணும். Go for the present. Able to see the information what I am displaying, you students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, thank you, Charumati. So product design and development in the subject today, we are just going to cover the important topic in the first unit. Only one topic, only 10 slides. Then after that, I'll display you the video so that you can understand the concept clearly again. So from the first unit, introduction is the title of the first unit. In that first topic is need for IPPD. Need for IPPD. Can anybody guess what will be the expansion for IPPD? Anybody? We are dealing with product design and development. I na ennava irukum. It can be wrong answer. Kindly reply. Just guess what can be I stands for. I stands for what? கெஸ்பா நான் கெஸ் பண்ண தான் சொல்றேன். கரெக்டான ஆன்சர் தான் எனக்கு வேணும்லாம் கேட்கல.
Information.
இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் இதே ஆன்சர் தான் பி செக்ஷன் சொன்னாங்க. ஸோ நல்லா பிரேமர் இருக்கீங்க. வெரி ஹாப்பி. சி ஐ ஃபார் இன்ஃபர்மேஷன். ஓகே, இப்போ நம்ம ப்ராடக்ட் டிசைன் அண்ட் டெவலப்மெண்ட் பத்தி படிக்க போறோம். ப்ராடக்ட் வந்து நான் ஆல்ரெடி சொல்லிட்டேன், இட் ஷுட் நாட் பி லைக் ஓல்டு வெர்ஷன், எக்ஸிஸ்டிங் பார்ட் மாதிரி இருக்கக்கூடாது. சம் இன்னோவேஷன் ஷுட் பி இன்வென்டட். அண்ட் யூ பீயிங் அ கஸ்டமர் of to buy any of the product, what you prefer? ஒரே சிஸ்டத்துக்குள்ள எல்லாமே அடங்கி இருக்கும்னு நினைப்பீங்களா, நினைக்க மாட்டீங்களா? Yes or no? It should be inbuilt within a product. For what terminology we can place for I here?
Integrated.
Very good, very good. Who answered? Name?
Dinesh ma'am.
Dinesh. Good. So integrated, P stands for product. Very good. Again another P is there, that stands for
process.
Very good. D for
Design.
it can be design or
Development.
very good. Avladhan. So you yourself have told the expansion for IPPD. So anybody can fully explain the expansion for IPPD now?
Integrated product and process development.
Very good. Integrated, good Charumati. Integrated product and process development. So first you have to understand, if you're going to decide to create a product, design a product, we have to focus that it has been integrated. Integrated means, for example, you are working in an IT company, only the CSE background students will not work under the IT companies. You can face all types of departments like civil, mechanical, EEC background students involving inside a product work or project work or inside a company working, right? There are more departments where one part can be used for, some departments fully deal with concept ideas, then analysis, then design, then implementing the coding part, then testing procedure. So there are many categories. So all together only form a particular product. Okay, integrated. So why we have to depend on creation of any of the product to be covered with this integration? Integrated product process development is necessary. What is the need for IPPD? Why the product you are creating should be integrated one? Integrated product and process development is nothing but it's a combination, or it combines the product design processes. ஒரு ப்ராடக்டை எப்படி டிசைன் பண்ணும், வாட் இஸ் த ப்ரொசீஜர் ஃபார் தட் டில் த மேனுஃபேக்சரிங் பார்ட், வாட் இஸ் த ப்ரொசீஜர் that also is being involved, as well as along with that process design process. What is process design process? For example, if you're going to create a product, air conditioner, what is the correct process to design this product? For example, air conditioner most of solar time வந்து பார்த்தா hot month. ஓகேவா, டேஸ் இருக்கு, கோல்ட் டேஸ் இருக்கு, ஹாட் டேஸ் இருக்கு. சம்மர் சீசன்ல தான் ஏர் கண்டிஷனர் வந்து மோஸ்டா நிறைய பேருக்கு தேவைப்படும், மோர் சோல் ஆகும் அந்த ப்ராடக்ட். ஸோ தீஸ் ஆர் த திங்ஸ் யூ ஹேவ் டு கீப் இன் மைண்ட் வென் யூ ஆர் கோயிங் டு கிரியேட் அ இன்டகிரேட்டட் ப்ராடக்ட் அண்ட் ப்ராசஸ், integrated product. So it's nothing but the combination of both product design process. To design that process, what are the procedure we have to follow, as well as along with the which time that process is giving a good result. Which time if you are inventing that product gives a good result. So this creates this new standard for producing competitive and high quality products. So these two things we have to keep in mind when you are developing an integrated product, which only give a standard for you for selling that product under this competitive world. When is the competition needed? When our product is more needed for the customer. So that deals with the high quality products. For example, you have to now understand the term. Just wait. Process design process. What is process design? Process design is where the product is broken down into parts, which further can be helpful in the actual manufacturing process. This can be defined like this also. For example, ஒரு லேப்டாப்பை நீங்கள் இன்வென்ட் பண்ணுறீங்க, ஒரு லேப்டாப்பை ஃபைனல் ஸ்டேஜில் பார்க்கணும் அப்படின்னா first you have to create the keyboard separately, that is a separate parts. Then after that the monitor part, it have to be integrated together, solidified, okay. Then only it is going for the manufacturing process. So it is divided into parts. Then it is been assembled together. So process design. If you consider from the concept idea, that idea have to be selected by some brainstorming members. After selecting the idea, that idea have to be implemented for a design part. Designers and manufacturing unit ஓட machines எல்லாம் available இருக்கா, இந்த design support பண்ற மாதிரி நம்ம கிட்ட machines இருக்கா, communication should be. Then after designing has been okay, it goes for the implementation part. You just imagine you are working in a company and the process is happening like this. So like this, the product or develop பண்ணும்போது it has been broken into parts which further can be helpful in the actual manufacturing process. For example, if your manufacturing of air conditioner process design has to be such that maximum supply is achieved during the hot month of summer when demand of the product is at the highest. So automatically production's process also improve because most of the customers depend this particular product, air conditioner, during the hot month of the summer. So these are the things you have to keep in mind when you start up a project or product. Integrations is nothing but why we have to create an integrated product. Because only in the integrated product, new technologies and methods can be implemented inside it. It can provide a complete new dimensions to product design process. Instead of depending on the old version, integrated na new technology can be inbuilt. Although things can be, for example, you're going to create a smartphones, you can beacon signals technology can be inbuilt in your mobile phones. What are all the latest technology inbuilt inside a system? We say it is an integrated product. This process starts with the defining of the requirements of product based on the customer feedback. Obviously, all the companies are mostly dependent on the feedback of the customer. If you are creating any of the integrated product and it has been satisfied with the customer, automatically customer give a feedback that have to be taken as a thing. It can be a positive feedback or a negative feedback. That only improves the company to further enhance the product what you have created. Considering the design layout and other conditions. Customers may put some conditions. I need this much of requirements for my product. You have to satisfy that need. And after they are using that product, they'll give some feedback. You have to proceed accordingly. All the customer will not give the positive feedback. Some negativeness can be got, and where that we can improve our product technology inbuilt again. Able to understand the 2 points, students? Kindly reply. Are you all in the link?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. So with integration of production methods and technology with product design, it is natural for integration of product design and process design. So the main point is when you are going to create any of the integrated product, you have to keep these keywords in your mind. It should the integrated product நீ வந்து solve பண்றனா ஒரு new technology அதுக்குள்ள இருக்கணும், methods புது methods functions use பண்ணிருக்கணும், then only you can say it is an integrated product. If it is the product has been done using process design process, இந்த product வந்து இந்த சீசனுக்கு அது யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும், you have to give the explanation for your integrated product. Customers should satisfy that. They have to give the feedback. Okay, this all happens. So the main definition of integrated product and process development can be defined as Process starting from product idea. And you being a student, you are going to create a product. First, you have to have an idea what product you are going to create, to the development till the final product through modern technology. What are the technology you are going to inbuild inside your product? Process management practices you have to know. What is that process management practices? What are the component is more necessary? இப்ப ஒரு ஸ்மார்ட் போன்ஸை கையில் வச்சிருக்கீங்க, டிஸ்பிளே ஓட பேக் சைடுக்கு நீங்க ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் கொடுக்க வேண்டாம். பேக் சைடு இந்த சென்ஸ் வேற கேமராவோட அந்த கார்னர் எட்ஜில் அந்த அளவுக்கு அட்ராக்ஷன் தேவையில்லை. ஸோ வேர் எவர் யூ நீட் டு அட்ராக்ட் த கஸ்டமர், வேர் எவர் த டிசைன் ஷுட் பி comfortable for the customer, there the components ஓட quality கொடுக்கலாம். You can give what that much of suppliers கிட்ட கொடுத்து components வாங்கலாம். So அந்த techniques-லாம் you have to keep in mind. So process management practice while minimizing the cost. Our motive main aim is to minimize the cost as well as utilize our product by all the customers, so maximizing the efficiency. Okay, functionality and the operations provided inside that. Rather than also minimizing the cost. Obviously, when you create an integrated product or children's, some products, these customers, there are a lot of fit motorbike. Why they have giving before itself. You can book the fit is there using that product. Any problem with the net by my side, students?
Yes, ma'am. A few minutes I can hear you, ma'am. For a few seconds.
Yes. From morning I'm facing this, whichever class I'm taking, no, in between. Voice is also breaking. Now is it okay?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Now
is
it's
it okay? Okay, I'm in college, pa. I don't know. There is some problem here. Okay, we have to go through that also. Which point you were all listening? Last point, able to understand the definition of integrated product and process development? Kindly reply.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So process starting from product idea to development of the final product. The main point is I'm just explaining about that Ola bike, which the company have first aimed to collect the customers. So they gave some registrations. Those people who are registering, their preference will be given more like that. So that they have to project to the customers that how much useful the Ola bike will be for them. So by minimizing the cost and maximizing the efficiency of using their product. You know the benefit of Ola bike, where Wi-Fi facility, music players, then unlocks system facility are all been inbuilt inside that integrated product called Ola electric bike. So there are many products like this. Now we'll go for some advantages. Why we have to invent an integrated product? What is the benefit of it? Some advantages are, more obviously I have already told, when an integrated product we say, sure there will be a modern technology used inside that product. So using modern technology and implement logical steps, some smart works by some skilled peoples, they use the product to be very much user friendly. So in production design, the actual production is likely to come down, thereby reducing the product delivery time. What is the meaning of this product delivery time? For example, in the previous generations, we were using PCs. If you are a customer, you are buying the PC from some Bangalore, some company. For delivering that product, it will take 2 or 3 days, assembling the set. all those packing procedure like that. If it is an integrated one, automatically delivery time will be very less. So it's all because of implementing the modern techniques and implementing logical steps for the production design for any of the products, integrated products. Optimizing usage of resources, using efficient process, organization are able to minimize the cost of production, thus improving the profitability of the organization. Most of components we are using should not be unwanted components. We should not get from the suppliers. You have to focus on those components which are more needed. Cost of production is very much important. Okay, that plan should be proper. It is only through this integrated products you can improve the profitability. Obviously, if எந்த ஒரு field எடுத்துக்கிட்டா comfortableness is more important. Carrying the PC all around was so tedious those days. Then they invented laptops. In laptops also there are heavy weight laptops. Again, it was reduced into lightweight laptops. So it's very important. You have to understand that improving the profitability of the organization only through the resources what you are using for your integrated products. When it is user friendly, when it is lightweight, integrated all the system inside a particular product, then profitability for that product, for that organization improves. Extensive use of CAD model. Last generations, if you see, they use sketches for drawing the design model, for the idea, concept, everything. But everything is now become software tools. We are depending on particular software tools like CAD, CAM, where you can just imagine the dimensions. If any of the corrections found in that tool are related with the manufacturing system, then it can be rectified. Time saving also. So these are also updated methods, technologies used for integrated products. Product and design failures are greatly reduced and reducing the risk for organization. Focus is solidly delivering the value to the customer. Customer only needed the quality best products to be got from any of the organization. So we will focus for that. So quality is very important, is a paramount important. Achieve technologies and methods. Only using technology and method in the integrated product, you can achieve that quality products. Just wait, students. Who is that? I think you are able to understand the advantages. Now we'll go for key factors for IPPD. Ma'am, key factors. And always only the integrated products become a success one nowadays. So IPPD success is greatly customer requirements. Stakeholders, the workers who are involved for creating the products, this both like management unit, both plays a vital role to achieve this successful address to the customer requirements. For example, if you're working in a company, you are being a stakeholder as well as the management side. There will be some people who are projecting your product to the other companies or the other customers. So these two are very important to understand the to the customer requirement. Scientific approach, building up of plans. What are the approach we have to do to invent the proper integrated product? First, you have to plan properly, building up of plan, implementing that plan, and constant review of that implemented plan. For example, ஒரு ஆர்கனைசேஷனே எடுத்துக்கோங்க, இதுவே ஒரு ப்ராஜெக்ட் எடுத்துக்கலாம். ஒரு காலேஜ் எடுத்து நடத்துறீங்க, ஒரு ஸ்கூல் எடுத்து நடத்துறீங்க. There are many procedure, strategical approach you have to follow. First, you have to plan what is the academic schedule, how you are going to implement it. There should be more review meetings for that, whether they are properly implementing or not. Similarly, for a product also, when you are creating an integrated product, there should be a proper plan. How you are going to implement, in what design you are going to do, what is the programming language you are going to build for this product. Everything should be planned properly, and constant brainstorming. We can do for a smooth product design at the end or not. So modern tools and systems have to be used. There's a main key factors. When you get placed in TCS or if ஒரு department to other department, teams இருப்பாங்க. அப்புறம் within the organization these teams have to be communicated together to achieve the customers requirements need. Product கரெக்ட்டா வரணும்னா modern tools have to be implemented inside the organization. நம்ம அது ரிலேட்டடா ஒர்க் பண்ணா every other department working inside an organization will communicate properly. They'll get the data from one department to other department properly to so this tools and system need to be integrated na together. Even though in an organization company you are working in separate teams and departments. For example, if my husband is working in automata abdina, some data set I have team people testing. Okay, so for that they will make use of some standard modern tools and systems. Then only we can satisfy this I work. Able to understand these points, students? Kindly reply.
Ma'am, kindly explain
Yes.
this third thing, ma'am.
Third
Because
point,
my voice is breaking, ma'am.
yes,
modern-
okay. This third modern methods. Okay, to be short, what I'm trying to tell is, if you are working in a company or an organization, you people working in a technical department or team, you imagine other departments like analytics or testing, designing team. So that's between the stack working for the company. So some modern சாஃப்ட்வேர் டூல்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு போயிட்டு உடனே கத்து கொடுப்பாங்க. இதுதான் நம்ம காலேஜ் அந்த கம்பெனில நாங்க ஃபாலோ பண்றோம். இந்த வேல தான் நீங்க வேற ஒரு டீம் கிட்ட இருந்து நீங்க டேட்டாஸ் கலெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். Trying to tell this is, in any wherever they're focusing this integrated product to be designed, project to be designed, anything, they are using some modern tools and systems.
Ma'am,
That's the point. Product and process development team. Yes.
Your voice is breaking, ma'am, in between.
Yes, Asha. இப்பயுமா? Now
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
okay.
For more than 5 minutes, ma'am.
பண்ண வேண்டாம் சொல்றாங்க. இதுல இருந்தது okay, I'll try to, whenever I have a long break of voice, you kindly intimate me.
Yeah, ma'am. Now also, ma'am.
Okay? Now is it okay? Now is it okay,
Yes,
students?
yes, ma'am.
Now also. For all இல்ல ஹர்ஷாக் மட்டுமா? For all people?
எல்லாருக்குமே அப்படிதான் மேம் இருக்கு.
Even your voice is in fast forward manner, ma'am.
ஐயோ. என்ன பண்றது? Okay, try to just listen. I will clearly put one video to obviously skilled manpower is very much needed for an IPPD development. Lakh in an organization where a lot of people work together, like who comes from the civil department or EC or EEE, they only accept the skilled manpower is an very much essential for any of the IPPD development companies or products. Organization need to make investment in human capital. So if அதனால தான் ஐடி பேஸ்டா most of students வந்து I have to get placed in an MNC company means because only in MNC company for the skilled manpower they are giving large amount of salary. I mean lot of salary due for their skills. So customer is the focus point for IPPD. Any integrated product you are going to focus in mind and going to start creating means customer. What type of customer you're going to choose for your product, whether it will be benefit for a woman, it will be benefit for a children's, or it will be benefit for a IT peoples or village peoples. The customer you have to focus. So focus point is customer. Constant feedback from them is essential for the IPPD to be successful. IPPD is approach designed to address all the concern of modern organization in the globalized world. Only integrated product will be reaching whole worldwide. Example, day-to-day life, even in this pandemic situation, we are able to communicate with each other. We are able to continue our learning process only because of this Google. Okay, best products where they mostly focus on customers process needed. In the time la enna process romba needed this pandemic situation. How all can be educated even through online mode. Google has focused one. Able to understand students? They focus on globalized world customers. Any doubt in this slide? Kindly reply. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Last topic. Okay. 5 principles of IPPD. So till now, whatever we have covered, you kindly recap. We have discussed about what is IPPD, expansion as well as the definition part. What are the things you have to keep in mind when you are going to start an integrated product to be in your mind for your creation? Then by creating an integrated product, what are the advantages you can face? What are the main key factors you have to keep in mind when you are going to create an integrated product? Very important 5 principles to be followed. Customer focus. ஏனாதானா ஒரு ஐடியா வச்சுட்டு நம்ம ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணக்கூடாது ப்ராடக்ட்டை. Customer, to which customer this is going to be more beneficial. So accompanied by including the customer in decision making. So you should not be the decisioner. Decision making is the customer. Customer decision வச்சு தான் நீங்க proceed பண்ணணும். For example, customer is in need of some product now in this pandemic situation. Okay? Innovations போகும் அப்ப உங்களுக்கு அந்த ஐடியா கொடுக்க தோணும். Customer need, even we can't able to go for physical mode for learning for a school or college. So what they decide at Google, this will be the customer's decision. Customer decision is I have to continue my learning process through online mode. Customer decision எடுத்துக்கிட்டாங்க, எடுத்துட்டு they have procedure working on their products. Able to understand students? First point. Always when you are focusing on integrated products, some few principles you have to keep in mind. First principle is customer focus. Conducting trade-off, compromising. Trade-off means compromising studies during the requirements definition. Development process also ensures that the design remains constrained with the customer needs. The product should be moving along with the customers. It should be comfortable. It should be Trade-off means compromise their work. Concurrent development of products and process. What do you mean by concurrent? Concurrent engineering, you would have heard. Just listen to these points. At the last, I'll send you the link for the video where you can listen, as well as I'll also will put that video. I heard that you are not able to hear the voice when I'm playing the video. So I'll send the link. Then you can clearly understand the concept of IPPD. Now, second principle is concurrent development of products and process. What do you mean by concurrent development? Means if you're going to create any of the integrated product, parallelly, simultaneously, all the departments have to work together. For example, architecture design have to be worked by EC department students. Computer related students have to work for their implementing coding part for that software. Then again, designing CAD tool by mechanical students, anybody, okay? Concurrent development of products and process have to be involved. So it refers to the simultaneous development of a deliverable product. To deliver a particular product, simultaneous development have to be made. All of the process necessary to make the product. Then that product should work, not just creating the product and keeping. Okay, now ஒரு product create பண்ணிட்டேன், but it's not running was no use. We have to make the product work together. Work as well as deliverable process. Deliverable manufacture you have to move to that product. So this is possible only through simultaneous development, involvement of all the team members inside the organization. So these processes can simultaneously influence both the acquisitions and life cycle of the product. What do you mean by acquisition? The act of obtaining or buying something. Okay, your product should be designed in such a way all the customer have to buy it. So for you can all the customer will not buy your product if it is not properly done or properly, if it is not properly working, then the customer will not prefer your product. So we have to simultaneously work together in a team, fulfill the product properly, develop the process properly, make the product to work, and then go till the delivery process. Able to understand this point, students? Kindly reply. Unmute and reply.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So life cycle cost of the product. Till the product has been going till the manufacturing unit, the cycle should be proceeded. Simultaneously, all the team members should work together. If any fault in between any of the designing part, you have to rectify it. All the team members have to know that corrections, what has been failed in the design part. Then you have to make the product work. Early and continuous life cycle planning. Third principle to be followed for PDD. Early and continuous life cycle planning. You being working in a company, okay, you are going to be a member for designing any of the product. Then having stakeholders means other participants, working people, represent all the aspects of product life cycle as a part of IPT. Team members, integrated product team. So early life cycle planning should be done with respectful of customers, functional representatives. Each and every team will have one functional person. Okay, functional representatives, suppliers, who is going to give components, best components for us. So these peoples are to be planned properly in the earlier stage itself. Solid foundation for the various phases of product and its process. So who are the main people for doing this early and continuous life cycle planning? One person is the customer. We have to check whether we are fulfilling the customer requirement properly. Functional representative are working properly. Designing, implementation, testing, anything. Suppliers giving the components on time. There's no delay. There's no improper components given to us. All those things should be planned properly. best suppliers, then only quality of the product will be good. Early emphasis on life cycle planning ensures the delivery of system that will be functional, affordable and supportable throughout the product life cycle. So creating a product is not an easy job. There should be the functional of all the simultaneous engineers working together properly. Affordable, time spent, you have to spend your time, afford your time for finalizing the product. Hard work is needed. Supportable within the team members. If something goes wrong, we have to support the team and make the products in a successful manner. Proactive identification and manner. Last before slide, okay. Proactive identification and management of risk. Proactive na enna meaning? General meaning. Can anybody tell me? Proactive. Proactive means active. You can just check like this also if you have any doubts. Positive, hands-on, practical. Okay. Positive. When a product becomes successful, because when you follow one principle. What principle is that? You should be always active in the team members or the work, whatever has been given to you, you have to do it perfectly. Proactive identification have to be done. And management of risk. If any of the people or suddenly have to quit from that position, we have to replace any of the skilled person in that position. So there are many management risk to be handled by the management peoples. Okay. For example, ஒரு காலேஜ் போயிட்டே இருக்கு, நிறைய பேர் வந்து போயிட்டு இருக்காங்க. Some inconvenience within their family members, somebody has been facing some death or something. We have to replace that same skilled person to that role again. So there are many principles to be followed by the managements. That risk have to be maintained. To be removed. Proactive identification have to be done when you start any of the integrated product. These are the principles you have to keep in mind. By using this IPT teamwork approach, who are the vital role players means designers, manufacturers, testers and customers. Why designers and manufacturers have to communicate with each other? Because இப்போ நீங்கள் ஒரு டிசைன் இமேஜின் பண்ணி நீங்கள் CAD டூல் யூஸ் பண்ணி டிசைன் பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டீங்க. எவ்ரிதிங் இஸ் பீன் கம்ப்ளீட்டட். ஓகே, டைமென்ஷன்ஸ்லாம் போட்டாச்சு. ஒரு ஸ்மார்ட் ஃபோனை டிசைன் பண்ணுறீங்க, இல்லை ஏதோ ஒரு காரை டிசைன் பண்ணுறீங்க. பட் மேனுஃபேக்சரிங் யூனிட்ல அந்த ஃபெசிலிட்டி இருக்கிற அந்த டைமென்ஷனில் இருக்கிற ஒரு மோல்டிங் மிஷின்ஸ் இல்லை அப்படின்னா அகெயின் there is a big drawback for creating that product. So that should be a teamwork. They have to be a proper communication between all the members inside the team. Testers as well as customers. Customers in between phone பண்ணுவாங்க. Whether I need to add this requirements. I have forgot, you have added. Have you completed? I need this product immediately within this time duration. We have to face that also. Okay, customer ஒரு எமர்ஜென்சிக்கு இந்த ப்ராடக்ட் இந்த டைம்குள்ள முடிச்சு கொடுக்கணும் அப்படின்னா all the team should cooperate with each other, understand their stressness with the customers, work together. Similarly, affordable, everything comes here. Then we have to complete the product together to ensure that the product satisfy the customer need. Some customers, you can't say all the customers are thinking asset. சில கஸ்டமர்ஸ் ரொம்ப ரூடா இருப்பாங்க, எனக்கு இந்த இது இப்படிதான் வேணும், தப்பு ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா ரொம்ப இது பண்ணுவாங்க. ஸோ இன்டீரியரா ஒருத்தவங்க ஒர்க் பண்றாங்க, ஒரு டிசைன் சொல்லியிருப்பாங்க அந்த டைம் மைண்ட் செட்ல, திடீர்னு ஒரு மைண்ட் செட்ல மாத்துவாங்க. ஸோ ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்லி all the members inside the team should analyze, okay, if we change this, it can be satisfied by the customer, means they have to put step for it. IPPD is a key to organize comprehensive and iterative approach. Why we are saying comprehensive and iterative approach means, சில பேர் வந்து ஒரு இன்டகிரேட்டட் ப்ராடக்ட்டுக்கு ஒர்க் பண்றாங்க மீன்ஸ் they will be skilled in technical, they will be skilled in doing designing part, but some people will be very much talented in expressing what the product is about. So management people வந்து உங்க ப்ராடக்ட் நீங்க இவ்வளவு கஷ்டப்பட்டு ப்ராடக்ட் செஞ்சாவும் அது கரெக்டா சோல்வ் பண்ற பர்சன் வந்து சோல்வ் பண்ணாதான் அதோட வேல்யூ தெரிய வரும். So you have to understand this IPPD is not a easy job. It's a key to organize the whole team members properly. Comprehensive, you have to express yourself, whatever you have designed, to other members by brainstorming meeting. Iterative approaches, when one part of team has been completed, that procedure have to be followed to the next team without any confusion. So it's all have to keep in mind for identifying and analyzing the cost, technical and scheduled risk, and instituting the risk handling options to control critical risk area. I think you are able to understand. Teamwork is very much needed. IPT develop technical and business performance, very important. Measurements plans with appropriate metrics to monitor the effectiveness and degree of anticipated and actual achievements of technical and business parameters. The integrated product only we say with the principle, it should be achieved with some techniques, latest technique, modern techniques, as well as the way you express your product to sold to a customer. So business parameters have to be followed. These are all things you have to keep in mind as a principle. Proactive, you should be active in identifying these factors in mind. You can face any of the risk inside a team that also have to be handled properly. Then only we can get a finalized, proper, integrated product successfully. Last principle to be followed for IPPD, maximum flexibility for optimization and use of contractors approaches. என்ன மேம் இது கான்ட்ராக்டர் அப்ரோச்சஸ்னா, இப்போ ஒரு கம்பெனி எடுத்து நடத்துறீங்க, what is the we can say IPPD development is a management approach. After creating the final product, my voice breaking pa?
No, ma'am.
Okay. IPPD is a management approach, not a specific set of steps to be followed. After the product has been finalized, okay, this is our aim, this is our plan. For example, you just imagine, நீங்க ஒரு லேண்ட் வாங்குறீங்க, ஓகே, அந்த லேண்ட்ல எனக்கு ஐ எம் கோயிங் டு பில்ட் அ ப்ராஜெக்ட் ஆர் அ ப்ராடக்ட் யூ சே, ஓகே, ப்ராடக்ட் எல்லாம் ஒண்ணுதான். ஒரு ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் நான் பில்ட் பண்ண போறேன், ஓகே, யூ ஹேவ் டு கெட் த அப்ரூவல் ஃப்ரம் த கவர்மெண்ட். So government acquisition community is there, where they allow for buying that particular product. They will sanction that product, recognize that it must allow for contractors. You can after recognizing, whoever contractors are ready for proposing their this particular product, they comes. The contractors na யாருன்னு புரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. What is the role of this contractors? Last, that's all. Contractors on people. See, what does a contractor do? Contractors are responsible for supplying the necessary equipment. I have already told that you have ready to do a product or project in building a hospital in some area. So that you need to have some equipment for that, material, labor and service to the complete your project. Then you have to deal with these contractors. A portion or all, then too, and
Ma'am,
and listen to one very important video. I yes.
your screen is not sharing, ma'am.
IPPD. என்னாச்சு என்னோட நெட்வொர்க் போயிட்டு வருதா?
Yes, ma'am. Screen share ஆகல, ma'am.
லாஸ்ட் எப்ப போச்சு ஸ்கிரீன்?
இப்பதான்
ஃபிஃப்த் பிரின்சிபல் பாத்தீங்களா இல்லையா? ஓகே. Now I'll just send you this IPPD. Very important. I'll just send a video. Videos. I have sent in B section group. That is okay. I'll also play, but I'll send the link in your students group. Parallelly, we will watch. Okay, wait. Now I'll understand. Copy. Third year A section. Yes. Able to see the link, students? Kindly say yes or no. Are you ready to see that link? Please reply.
Yes, ma'am.
Please reply. Yes. Now you can start. Okay. Wait. Okay. சார் ஆமா சார், கிளாஸ் முடிஞ்சிட்டு ஒரு வீடியோ அனுப்பு. Students, just kindly reply. Did you listen that video? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Did you get the overall idea about IPPD now? Yes or no? Yes. Can you hear me? Divya? The same environment you are going to work in any of the IT companies, or if you are going to be an entrepreneurship, the same strategy only is going to be followed anywhere. Okay? Okay, fine. I send the PPT, what I have taught today in the group. Kindly revise daily the portion, and book learning also is very important. Like PDD class இருந்துச்சுன்னா at least go through that Ulrich book, gather some 2 or 3 paragraphs, you start learning daily. Okay, basics of product design and development. Any doubts you have? Yes or no? Can you hear me? Okay.
No
Yes, ma'am. No doubts.
ma'am.
Okay. Jayasurya, I hope you have noted the absentees.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Noted.
Okay. Thank you, students, for your cooperation. You can leave the session. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you all.